everybody, 47 Mark 4 here, back with another episode of Skyopolis 4. Alright, let's keep doing what we were doing yesterday, kinda, like we were working towards a goal here in the quest book, trying to get this stuff done. And I want to go back and look at the stuff we did yesterday, because it needed some help here. So, first couple of things I want to look at. I'll take these with me to try to help me remember all the things. So, first, thermoelectric generators. You know, I hated the setup that we did. It wasn't good. It didn't look good. I didn't like it. It wasn't using the blocks well. How do you like this? This is what I came up with instead for laying it out. So every block has, you know, cardinal directions have opposites. Every block is being used. Every block is full power. I got it in the grid. You know, is it the most space efficient? No. If we ripped out the borders, we could get that. But I think it's pretty nice. And I got all the wiring going up to balloons. And that feels valid to me because it's, you know, an immersive block. I could have just put a, you know, cobblestone in the air, but whatever. And so I've got all these guys coming over here, coming down, and check this out. So I'm cheesing the system a little bit. This is an HV capacitor with LV connectors on it, and it totally works. I didn't know you could do this, right? That you could mix like this. And coming out here, we are taking LV power out because I didn't feel like making all kinds of HV connectors for a cloche that uses barely any power, right? Not a lot of loss. But I did have to make an HV connector because the crusher took too much energy. Or it was actually probably the line loss by the time the LV got down here and having to pass all the cloches. There just wasn't enough to run the crusher. And so we went to HV. And you know what? HV is welcome anyways. I did make a couple of things here. So I changed over to the vertical conveyor belts. No, to the covered conveyor belts. It's still vertical. That process still works. And then I took the output here and I did a thing. So output comes, you know, I can't get through. Hold on. So output is just coming off the side, right? Catching the conveyor. That's it. Nothing serious there. And then I got dropping conveyors into the non-ingot kind of things, right? And if you're one of these, you go into the locked drawer, and then the hopper spits you out onto this conveyor, which then takes you into a white ender chest, which is always my, you know, system import chest. If you're not one of those things, then you continue up and you go into this diamond chest, which is hoppered into the solar cooker, which is then this hopper then faces into this system that goes here. So that should allow me to throw just about anything I want in here. Opposites like coal and iron, and they should totally be handled. So let's see. Let's crush these guys down. Now, I am having magnet problems, even with it covered, even with a floating flower there. See the coal? There we go. And there goes the iron, up and in, and the solar cooker is going to start cooking. Very cool. And oh, there goes the ingots. They like to check the hoppers, but they all go there. So very cool. That worked out really well. A lot more simple than. Oh, see, look, I got iron. How did I get the iron on a covered conveyor with a solar flower hanging out here? How? I don't understand that part yet. All right, let's see. Did those things. This, I love it. I love it so much. It looks so good. Over here, we needed clay. I needed clay to make all these connectors. And so I'm using a new flower for me, the Clayconia. And this thing, let's get some sand out of the system just so you can see the beauty of the Clayconia. And we'll throw it here. Oh, I've got a block placer from Cyclic, right? And no real options. It's either on or off. And then I got a hopper hawk. And putting the ball here in the frame tells it to stick it in this drawer. So let's see. Let's stick those in there. And brrr, just like that, it's turning it all into clay, and the hopper hawk is picking it up, and done. Dude, you're embarrassing me. Why are you not turning into clay? Why are you not turning into clay? Oh, man, isn't this always the way? Hold on. Let's pick you up. Let's set you down. There we go. You know, sometimes weirdness happens, right? And I'll just stick that there. There we go. But I like the speed of this block placer. I think everything here works out really well. So this is an easy way to get clay, and sand's just not that hard to come by. All right, got those things. Okay, Got all this. Cardboard box. I wanted to show you a neat thing. Check this out. Boop. Right? Take a mana pool. Stick it over here. It's still got its contents. I don't think you're supposed to be able to do that. I wanted to move all of this stuff back one space just so things would be nice and even, and I found this out today. I'm super stoked about that. I love when I find stuff that's, you know, just a little hacky. I don't have to worry about mana tablets. We take the whole pool. All right, let's do some coolness today. So, let's see. Let's go up here first, I think, and we're going to take the entire chest with us. This will be easiest. So, I have a massive need for stone, and it's just not coming in fast enough. So we're going to set up a stone generator right over here. Man, this cardboard box is the bomb. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set this up right here. This exact same thing. So I'm going to follow that to the T. So let's actually do it block by block here. Right here. So we're going to get this guy, and of course, the first one is going the wrong way. So get you, and we're going to get, oh, not that. I was wondering why the scroll wasn't working. Get you down to 0, get this over here, just like that. Now I need to get shaft power down here. We need shaft, so a shaft here, and a cogwheel. Let's get this. So you, right? One more, and then that should be able to get that. Okay, turning. Now we need a clutch, right? I like this clutch block a lot. And so anytime we got a clutch, we got a leveroni. And now we're going to need a fan. All right, encased fan. Here we go. Right there. No. Yes. Yeah. I got it set to 0. And there's an arrow on the side, so showing which way it goes. Oh, and we got to do a thing here. We're going to, if I got lava here, you know what? Let's come over one block. I probably don't have to, but you know, I don't want to set the base on fire. I think that would be bad. So let's do this. Let's set you there, and then you here. I know it's not the most space efficient setup, but whatever, right? As long as it works. There you go. And then we're gonna have, oh, I'm getting a nice gentle breeze. Where's my lever? Turn you off for the moment. I'm gonna set you up some stone pressure plates. Oh, and before I do, we gotta swap the blocks. That's what I was trying to go to. We gotta swap the blocks. So let's see, let's get this right here. I'm gonna use this stone right there because you can't put lava on wood, right? And that should work out really nicely. That should be nice and fireproof. And then we'll have, just like this, we'll have the lava right up tight. I think that'll work. We'll use one of these, actually, as a backstop so the blocks don't get blown away. Right? Right there. Okay. And we'll get Hopper Hawk, this, cobblestone generator. I'm going to need another one of these. Oh, actually, I need another lever, too. Right? Let's get ourselves a lever, because I don't want everything to kick off before I'm ready. So I'm going to have, right here's the lava. So where is this guy? Yeah, it's on the pressure plate. So there's that. Here's the hopper that's going to feed it. Let's get a block right there, and then lever. So I turn off, nope. I need the lever on top so I can turn off the hopper. Right, and let's do that now before we put the diamond cobblestone tier 5 generator on the thing. Right, that seems to be working, has locked the hopper. We can, dude, why? It's always this guy. Okay, first, no rats allowed. And do you have anything good? You know, you never really do have anything amazing, and I don't need to get the 1 diamond from you, right? That's just not worth it to me. All right, get rid of that garbage, and this garbage, and we can put this thing away. Okay, so that's the dropping, right? No problem there. And then the pickup is going to be the same system. So I'm going to get one of these. I'm going to get myself a chest. Do I need a hopper? I don't think I actually need a hopper. Not for this thing. So let's test. Let's just test. Here, let's just get you. And if I throw a thing on the floor, Did you put it in there? Yeah, okay, so I could take a hopper out of that setup. And then we're going to have to come across. So we need to get some import here. And actually, you know what? We could do that. I could do that with an ender chest. No, let's not tax our ender chest system. This thing is going to pick up everything. So that's the cable right there. Right? We're going to lose everything. I want to come up. It must be, the cable must be right here, too. It is. It is. Okay, that makes more sense. I was trying to figure out how things got across. Here and there. So let's take this cable on over. Oh, man. Okay, this makes it hard when we've got that set beyond the block option. Okay, right there. Come on, right here. Come on, can I do it? No, I don't need the brackets. No brackets. Let's get down. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right, and you are import, so suck everything out of the chest, right? And stack and speed, because stack and speed is always good, and I hope we make a lot of stone. Okay, and then all we got to do is, I'm going to need a stone brick, because we lost one of them. Let's keep stone bricks on us anyway, so stone brick, and then you, and you, throw the floor back. Oh, what is going on? What is going on over here? I should have done that. Oh, man, I got so much gravel on me. It's so much gravel. Okay, throw the gravel back in the system. We need it anyways. Okay, that's turned off for the moment. Yeah, okay, that works. So, I think I was planning to have to export things, but if we're going to do... No, this is going to make cobblestone. Yeah, cobblestone cooked into stone. Right, this should totally work. I don't see why not. Let's throw the lavaroni down. That should work. Right? Let this thing go. Turn it up to, oh my, for speed. Oh, yeah, don't hold down shift. Go all the way, because I thought some of these things were off. We're just going to turn everybody off for the moment. Right? This is the only thing we need. Okay, and then I need a piece of cobblestone. That's what I was thinking about. We need a piece of cobblestone, because we got to put this dude back on and tell him to ignore cobblestone, and then we're going to set the range down quite a bit. Okay, so this process totally works. It totally works. I was just turning things on and off just to double check, because, never really done it, but I assumed it was just like bulk washing, but it just takes a little bit. See, there's a stack of stone right there. Like, this thing is super duper for making stone. I think it's picking it up like a stack at a time, so that's okay. All right, I just have to put this back in. Just like that. There we go. And those. And that's probably what was going on. It was just keeping up with it so good. All right. That's, I can see the one thing we're going to have to do later. Note to self, make anti-magnet. And you know what? While we're doing stuff, let's just take that out. And that'll help me remember later to do stuff. The speedy hopper doesn't seem speedy enough for the open crate, but you know what? It's going fast enough. All right. That was done. Okay, let's get our chest. Oh, and you know what? Cardboard box. Okay, let's get away from the thing that sucks up everything. I saw something and I forgot to do it. I saw something in here. Let's see. Let's get this off. Where? Don't lose the cardboard box. These things right here, heart canisters. I wanted to see what was going on here with the heart canisters. And so what mod is this? Bobbly heart canisters. So let's go at Bobbly. And I understand I've got to make a heart amulet. And let's not use the red heart. Let's use, we got 995 yellow hearts. Let's use one of those. And so that's our necklace. And then we can make heart canisters. So I need a wither bone, which is just a bone dropped in this. Okay, let's get some bones. Let's get bones. Let's do a stack, and let's go drop them in the stuff right over here. Thank you very much. All kinds of wither bones, easiest possible way we ever could have gotten them. Got our whole stack. I don't know if that's going to be enough, but I want to find out. All right, so let's go back to Aunt Bobbly. So then we can make red heart canisters, and I can only make one because I only have one red heart. But I can make a bunch. Oh, we got to make golden apples. So we got to make relic apples. Oh, no. Let's make it with dust. because I've got like 100,000. Oh, I can't make it with dust. What can I make? What can I make that apple with? This thing right here. Ruby, sapphire, signalum, silver. Okay, so it's got to be some dust of some sort. Can I make it with mana powder, iron dust? Okay, so it's got to be a material of value. All right, no problem. Let's see. Glowstone wouldn't have worked. Oh, it would work. Okay, all right. Yeah, a stack will work. Stack will work. Heart canisters. So I'm just gonna kind of. Oh yeah. I gotta do this. I was just saying I was gonna kind of shift out. Yeah, like a whole bunch because we got the supplies for it. So how many can I put in here? Let's look at this thing. Do you open? Yes, you do. And where did my oh no, I have to use the red to make the yellow. I was hoping that, oh man, we need to get reds. Drops off friendly mobs. I don't seem to be getting a lot of those. I can't make a red heart any other way. Okay. All right, so never mind. We're going to get one canister. I had bigger dreams. I was assuming that I didn't need to follow the progression. So I can put you in there, and then I can come up here, and this is going to be, oh no. I have to take this off to have that to get an extra heart. Oh. I got to think about that one then. I got to think. All right. Put you in there. Let's get rid of the cables. We don't need them. Get rid of this stuff. Get rid of that. Okay, next thing. Let's set this guy up, and let's take this with us because it's got supply. So we don't have a blast furnace anymore, right? The thing's missing right here, and now we're going to get ourselves a new one. Go, stone, go. Go, stone, go. There is a hole in the floor. You know what? There is a hole in the floor. I got lots of planks. I went ahead and used the sawmill a whole bunch. So we've got all kinds of stuff. So let's see. Over here, where do I want to set this up? This is a blast furnace. You're not very big and you're not hugely important. I can actually get you right in this spot, right here. Let's get this, and let's see. You'll go up and over and over. And I need, oh, you know what? I shouldn't have thrown back the blocks. I shouldn't have thrown back these because I've got to get on top of this guy. Excuse me. If I remember right, you're a hopper right in the center, and we need a hammer. Now, which way do I want this to face? This way? Right? I'll be in here doing stuff. I guess it doesn't much matter. I'll be coming around this side. Okay. So then there's that, and then we got to get these guys. And this is the problem I've had in the past, is they don't orient themselves correctly. There we go. And you've got to do it. What if I go like that? There. That works out really nicely. All right, let's get some power parts here. Right from the box. I always make that mistake. Let's scroll off. And we're going to get these parts and those parts and that part. And I'm going to put HV on this. And it's a little ugly, but we can drag HV right on over. So let's do this. HV wire connector. I mean, LV's right there, but you know, this is blast furnace. So then right here, right there, get this. I guess one of you can go one way and one of you can go the other way. That works. All right. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, so some stone brick emergency repair, totally done. Actually, the building gadget, I put it away. The build to me function is super, super helpful. You know what? We can see it, even though I'm not going to do it. We could, on one of those. It's hard to see, right? Just like that, and it goes for a country mile, right? So that makes it really easy to do big, long, straight stretches like we've got. Okay, now this thing. So if I remember this guy right, you output on the front, right? And let's see, you're going to stick stuff there. And then we got slag, right? And slag happens back there. And then I think we hopper into the top. I think this is, come on. I think this is what I remember. Let's see if we can, yeah, hopperoni down into that guy. Right there. Okay. And inside here, preheaters left and right. I don't know what the orange circles are trying to tell me. Let's make sure the hopper part works, right? But you're not doing something. Why are you not doing something? Ah, I forgot the Coke. Share a Coke and smile. We need cold Coke, right? And that's telling me that the heaters are on both left and right. This must be a, trying to show you that you've done something wrong in case you didn't rotate one of them. And hopefully the cold Coke will last a lot longer because kind of a pain to make. With the other thing, we've been, I don't know if you can see all the tanks. Where is it? Let's run through here. Right, I've just been soaking up the creosote, so this will make steel a little bit better. All right, I think we've got time for more. Let's get our next thing. So the next one is going to be this dude right here. And let's get, where is the projector? So this is going to be the squeezer, right? We need the squeezer to squoze. Hello? No, not rotated, not steel fence. Selection mode. There we go. Okay, so refinery mixer squeezer. So we need this guy. And boy, it's not a big machine. We can, I hate putting stuff close together, but this kind of makes sense. Okay, so, not that. There, got it right there. Okay, let's get everybody situated. Sandwiches, sorry, you can't live on the hot bar for the moment. You and you and you and you. Okay. I'm assuming that we're going to start with some scaffolding, maybe? You look like scaffolding, but you're telling me you're the wrong scaffolding. Oh, is this, did this get rotated around? Right? Like that? Is it this kind of scaffolding? Yes, it is. All right. So, oh, no. In the wrong spot. Can't have it there. All right, I got it turned. There we go. Just a little bit of scroll wheel action going on. Okay. Anyways, let's get this stuff built here. So you. Why is this requiring so many more steel? Did we get things mixed up, right? Like, this is clearly the squeezer. Let's look in the book. Let's just make sure that I did not make a mistake. I don't see it. It's probably easiest just to say squeezer. Right, and over here I needed 6 steel scaffolding. Sure looks like more than 6 steel scaffolding. Is that what I picked here? No, it's still on the crusher. Oh, no wonder I was having such a hard time placing it. Okay, so let's try this again. This is good learning. Selection mode, not the crusher. I said the squeezer. Check. And then, okay, all right, this makes more sense because I was expecting a 3x3 machine. And then when it didn't happen, I was kind of like, okay, whatever, let's roll with it. Let's, okay, all right, okay. Now that the dirt bridge is over, now this will be simple. And you're one of the blocks that I don't have on the bar. You're that block, you're this block. Oh man, I really like this system. Okay, you are redstone engineering block. And up here, we've got a piston. Right, we got a piston right there, and I don't know, I guess I have to rotate the piston. Oh, no, I don't. Oh, I can be lazy about it. Oh, very nice. All right, that's not what I wanted to happen. Come down here, and it's usually the redstone, right in between. No, come on. Where do you form up? Okay, so it was the piston. And clicking it right here sets this guy up, and so you, squeezer, you are going to get some power here. And, yeah, I guess we can. There's no immediate danger to high voltage wires just willy-nilly. Are you going to be able to make it? Yes, you are. Oh, slid right on by. Okay, and then you also take coal coke to make arc, furnace electrodes. And I think that's the last one. And I think we can probably squeeze it in, right? I'll do some editing here. We'll make it happen. So let's see. You, come on. You are selection mode. And now we're going to get arc. Where are you? Arc furnace. Arc furnace. Okay, you, check. Get this big puppy. And I think we'll put it right here-ish. Now, here's the thing I don't know is which direction am I looking at it? I think I'm looking at the back, maybe. Right? And so let's turn this around. Yeah, I'm seeing blast brick. So I feel like I feel like it's got to rotate here. So like that, maybe? And then, no. And right there. And that fits in one of those block spaces perfectly. All right, cool. This is going to work out. Let's get this stuff off the hotbar. Get you. We'll have to come back for those. Okay. So got one of those. We got a whole bunch of sheet metal, right? Sheet metal. I think this about does it for sheet metal. Were you steel? Yes, you were. Were you? No, you're some sort of engineering block. You're a heavy engineering block. Do I have? I've got myself a cauldron. Okay, no blast bricks. I'm going to say that we probably got the steel sheet metal. Yes, we do. Okay, this is the floor. That's the majority of it. Okay, right there. This and that's the next level. Okay, now we've got ourselves redstone engineering block. And let's go do the other engineering block. So you, it seems there's 3 of you boys. And heavy, right there. And I'm going to guess blast bricks. Okay, so there's only 6 of you. And then we've got something over here. What are you? You are some more heavies. And then that is sheet metal, maybe? No. What could you possibly be? Steel. Okay, anything else on this level? Steel, and this is the last heavy. Okay, that takes us up to the next level, which seems like more blast bricks, right? Oh, there we go. I was looking at it going, boy, I got a lot of blast bricks for, for having a machine this small. But I have just the right amount. Okay, we got steel, and you should have another one over here, and sheet metal, We've got engineering blocks. Engineering block. No more engineering blocks. All right, let's get these guys. That's a little hard to see. All right, we got those reinforced blast bricks. There's one more to go. Okay, you, and there's something that goes here. What don't I have? Is it just this? Is it a blast brick? Oh, it is a blast brick. Okay, and this is the last little bit. So it's you guys, you. And 2 of these? Is that it? Yes, it's it. All right. Let's get this dude. No idea on this thing where I hit you. Right? Let's click all the spots. Is it under here? Oh no, it's that thing. Yeah, I just remembered. It's the cauldron. All right. So then we can put in the back and come out the front, and that puts power on this side, right? Those right there. And so let's do this. Let's go 1, 2, 3. And I think we're going to make ourselves a pole. And this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's where that is supposed to be. But you know what? I'm going to break spacing, I think. Because I think it's probably a better idea to put this one like right there. And then we'll get some of this action going on. Right? And we'll put our relay, because you can go pretty far with HV. Right there. And some wires. Can I get that? No. We'll go this way. We'll increase the danger. Let's make everything live. That, there. Yeah, machine fired up. So all we need to do is make arc furnace electrodes, which will be, we almost vein mined again, which will be something good for next time. But I think we are at that point where I can finally collect all the quests. So I get another miniature red heart, get some skybucks. We get 2 reward chests. So let's see right here. Cool guys don't look at explosions, so immunity to blindness. All right, and we got bee stuff. Nice. I can go put up some bee nests and a beehive, which I should show you. Quick side thing. I should show you that we're going to have a bee villager. So let's just take a look in here. Come into the thing. I have organized here a little bit. All the named cats are sitting up here. Right, everybody's on top, and then we come into here, and I got a lot more of these dudes, and let's see, the bee one is going to be right here. So I had a beehive spawn, I made a tier 1 beehive, and then I'm going to have that villager, and just because, I'm a crazy person, we have level 2, and I had to change out their killing mechanism, so we now are going to drown them instead of dropping them, because, the first floor drops into the basement. So I thought that was pretty cool. Let's go right out the window. So I'm going to call it here for today. Man, we got a lot of machinery. We got a lot of stuff done. I'm super stoked. So I'm 47 Mark 4, and this is Skyopolis 4. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. You know, if you did, hit that like button, and then I'll see you in the next episode.
Oh,